Hey, what's up? Craig Ballantyne here. Gonna walk you through the 5 steps of the Millionaire morning routine, okay? This is what's missing from your life. If you're frustrated with not making more money, if you're frustrated with spending all day in activity and not in accomplishment, boom, game changer right here. 5 steps. No resisting me on this, all right? Do what I command. The first thing you're gonna do is what we call the 3-step planning the night before. So your morning routine actually starts the night before. If you're doing your planning first thing, if you're doing your to-do list at 6 or 7 a.m., you're already wasting the best time of your day. In the morning, you have your greatest willpower, discipline, and intention. So the night before, 4:45, 5 o'clock, even 7 o'clock at night, you plan out, you do your brain dump, you get all the junk out of your head, you put it in a priority to-do list, and then you do a little bit of process planning that I talk about in my book, Unstoppable, so you can find out exactly what to do in there, or perfectweekformula.com for my new book. You figure out how to do that. Then the second thing you do is you eliminate. You got to get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of toss the temptations, destroy the distractions, get the junk out. No Instagram, no email, no Facebook, no YouTube videos, no phone first thing in the morning. You got to go directly, do not pass go until you've done 15 minutes in the morning of work on your number one opportunity or your number one problem. So if you're struggling with something, if you're stuck and struggling, spend 15 minutes focusing on fixing that problem. If you have a great opportunity, if you need to write a sales letter, if you need to write a chapter in your book, minimum 15 minutes, preferably 90 minutes on your number one thing. Do not get into this morning routine, perverse form of procrastination where you're doing yoga and meditation and gratitude journaling and freeform journaling and then another type of journaling and interpretive dance. Don't do all that stuff first. Instead, go to work. And then, following Mark Twain's advice, if you need to eat a frog, the best thing to do is eat that frog first thing in the morning. The second best thing is to eat, if you need to eat 2 frogs, the best thing to do is eat the biggest frog first, all right? So eat the frog. What he means is do the hardest thing first, and then you've won the day. You've won the day, and the world can't take those victories away from you. And if you've won those things, you've got momentum and motivation to come back tomorrow stronger than ever. Now, the last thing you need to do in all of this stuff is have deadlines. Deadlines for planning your day. Deadlines for not going online. So you can say, hey, listen, not until 10 o'clock in the morning can I check my email. Then deadlines for getting your 15 to 90 minutes of work done and deadlines for eating that frog. And if you hit your deadlines, you will have made a promise and kept a promise to yourself to build self-confidence, and that is a powerful morning routine. When you have a powerful morning routine, you win the day. You get stuff done. When you get stuff done, you make more money, and that's how you become a millionaire in less time than ever, okay? Drop a comment below about how you've resisted me, about why this won't work. I need to hear this so that I can make more videos for you. I need to hear all of your whining and complaining. I need to hear all of your objections. All of your objections, your whining, complaining, bring it all on and say, Craig, this won't work because I've got 2.1 kids or 3.7 dogs or whatever it is that you have. Resist me. I challenge you so that I can make a better video for you next time and help you get to the next level, okay? So drop a comment down below about how you can go and grow or how you won't, because I just haven't done my job, all right? Can't wait to hear from you. I love you. Go and become a millionaire. The world needs you now more than ever.